Blessed, blessed, blessed. Starseed once again is here. Yeah, man. Yeah, the mix up. Alright. So here me I say now, I'm going to jump right on the topic. See? I'm going to talk about some ladies now. But all the ladies them. Because you know, all the ladies them are beautiful. But here me I say now the difference between some of them and the rest. Right? So when them ready to touch a road and them say them a go a road, right? So them a dress up and thing to look hot. So here we are going now. Them go on and go on and go on and dress and change and change and change till them go in a overdrive. And when them go in a overdrive, them go a road and them could have they look 10 times hotter than hot for the other clothes them where them pass. You understand what I say what them put on before? You understand? Now you have some other woman if them put on a nightie and go a road they hot. If a them pyjama them put on and go road they hot. Real hot. You understand what I say? I saw the thing go. Yeah. So here me I say now. You just have to be natural to yourself. You understand what I say? Go with the flow with yourself. Don't impress who you are impress. Impress yourself. You understand? That no means you have to go a road in your pyjama and nightie, you know. You understand what I say? But me just I say. Yeah. You have to make the thing spicy, just naturally you. Ooh. I may say look upon the natural browning, whitening, blackening, whichever one. Yeah? And that's how the thing go. You understand what I say? But anyway, I just the vibes and the flow. You understand what I say? And you know, love all on the ladies because that's how nothing go. You understand what I say? You see we man, you know see how we do it. Anything we put on and touch road we hot. With trash. So what I say? Yeah. Because we just natural. We just deal with the thing natural like that and just say, yo, I saw the thing go. So what I say? Yeah. Real vibes. Yeah man, a Starseed once again, you know. Just a quick shout out and a quick topic on that one there. So I say, big up and bless up on yourself. Yeah. You are the mix up. Out.